celebrated under IIC of MRCP. World Creativity and Innovation Day is celebrated annually on April 21st to promote and encourage creative thinking and innovation worldwide. It was first observed on 21st April 2002 by Canadian creativity expert Mercy Sehgal. In 2017, United Nations recognized WCID as an official International Day of Observance. The day promotes the idea that creativity and innovation are essential skills for success in all phases of life. It encourages the people to think out of the box and come up with new ideas. It is celebrated around 80 countries around the world, including Canada, Australia, India, and United States. So let us start the event by inviting our today's guest. So firstly, I would like to invite our principal sir, Dr. M. Sudhakar sir, to please come to the dais and occupy the chair. Thank you, sir. May I take the privilege of inviting our today's guest of honor, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy sir, Professor from Mallareddy Engineering College. Thank you, sir. I invite Dr. C. Padman sir, Coordinator and Professor of Mallareddy College of Science. We are about to commence an event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting the thought of enlightenment. I invite the dignitaries on the stage to do the honor.
Madam, Nirmala madam,
Prayer invigilates us and guides our thoughts and actions towards harmony and goodwill. I request Rishita to do the same.
Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka, Sharanu Vidya Pradayaka, Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka, Sharanu Parvati Tanaya Murti, Sharanu Parvati Tanaya Murti, Sharanu Mushika Vahana, Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka, Kukshi Mahalam Bodharave, Ikshu Chapana Gelidare, Kukshi Mahalam Bodharave, Ikshu Chapana Gelidare, Pakshi Vahana Shri Purandar, Vidalanani Jadasane, Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka, Sharanu Vidya Pradayaka, Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. It's my immense pleasure to introduce our principal, sir, Dr. M. Sudhakar sir. Dr. M. Sudhakar sir, principal of MRCP, has teaching experience of 35 years and have the research publications of around 200 in various national and international peer-reviewed journals. In addition, under his guidance, 15 scholars were awarded with PhD. with indomitable team spirit, he is blazing the way with a triumph of achievements and accomplishment goals. He is a sustainable source of inspiration with a hallmark practice of teaching and learning process. He implemented unique and unparalleled academic and administrative initiatives that contribute to the overall development. Now, let me invite Dr. M. Sudhakar sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, Surya Madam, and thank you, Dr. Srinivas Garu, and my colleague, Dr. Parthiban, and my dear staff members and my dear students. I welcome you all for today's, what is that activity? World Innovation Day. It is organized by IIC. What is the IIC? See the banner. Institutions. It is successfully run by Dr. Tajuddin sir. I thank Tajuddin for continuously doing some activities. Just appreciate it. Science Day, Innovation Day, Creative Day, something like this. Always we try to plan is make all of you alert to the present day situation. And in my college, in our college, of course, we are teaching you theory, practicals. In many colleges, practicals are only batch experiments, but whereas I want my student, each student has to conduct the practicals separately, right? So we have to learn the skills. And beyond the box, what is that you have learned? We have so many ideas. Idle brain is capable of making number of wonders. Morning about 1 hour, even about 1 hour, your brain is completely idle. Right? About 1 hour from journey from LB Nagar to college LB Nagar or BHL, completely no work for the brain. Simply, we are sitting there in the bus coming to college. In that time, I can think a lot. What type of ideas we give, creative ideas, and innovative ideas. What is innovation? What is creation? One example I'll give you. How to eradicate black money in India. One small boy from Kerala has given one idea to the Prime Minister. What is that? On all rupee notes, or maybe 100 or 500, on all currency notes, there must be some expiry date. 5 years. Within 5 years, I will spend. Otherwise, I go to the bank and take the cash out. So, like that, we can eradicate the black money in India. Like this, even they are planning, of course, some movement is going on. Next, August or September, they are going to ban 500 crores also. Like this, some movement is going on. Of course, what expect? Maybe we get a new note also. So, not only this, public matters, these are all science professionals, pharmacy professionals. There are n number of diseases, n number of molecules. Still, we have to do a lot of research work. In the pharmacy field. We are studying the B-Pharma or Pharming, and we know about number of diseases, we know about number of symptoms, drug molecules, side effects, adverse effects. From this, we can generate some innovative ideas. How to generally, the patient is afraid of the doctor, patient is afraid of the medicine. But how to improve this patient compliance, how to attract the patient so that he is coming to the hospital. Like this, you can plan. As a form year B-Pharmacy student, you can plan what type of questionnaire you can prepare, what type of ideology you can make it so that patient is coming to hospital is getting the proper treatment. The treatment of a disease, what are the new ideas? Every day we get some messages. Reversal diabetes, without using medication, diabetes. Like this is idea. Abhibus is idea. Redbus idea. Uber is idea. Uber is not a company. It is many people are registered to the Uber. They are running the cars, cabs. Like this, small The world is full of ideas. Ideas are getting the maximum popularity nowadays. So, in generation, you can make number of wonders by getting some ideas. I try to implement those things. And how to implement? You talk to your teachers and you come to me. That will write letter to the administrative authorities. This is the idea and these are the implementation procedure and how to do that. You can write. Definitely, you will be awarded. You will be getting the benefits also from the ideas. You can say innovative and creative ideas. Right? Thank you very much. This opportunity to get some ideas. Definitely, my students are very good. No doubt in that. Simply, they are all waiting for summer vacation. Under 10 days, hardly, how to sit in the classroom. But let us sit in the classroom. That's what I'm going by the university. Let us enjoy. See, when it is inevitable, we have to enjoy it. We have to come to the college, we have to enjoy the summer time, we have to enjoy the summer hot time. We need not have the hottest oven separately. Right? Where the oven almost every day. So, we are exposed to all type of the extreme climates. We are immune, we are developing resistance like anything. We can face any situation. So, for example, I posted in the Africa countries, Arabic countries. It may be around 58 temperatures also. We are posted in the some Minneapolis like that, minus 40, minus 50 also. Canada, minus 50 also. We are seeing all extreme climates. When you go to the globe, you can see extreme climates. That we can get some resistance by exposure to all this type of the climates for us. Right? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. They are truly inspiring. Now, today we have the honor of discussing the remarkable accomplishments of Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, sir, with a PhD in education and 17 years of experience. Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, sir, has exemplified excellence in academia and beyond. During his tenure, he taught 22 subjects for PG and UG courses and also completed various courses on innovation business model, entrepreneurship, intellectual properties from IIT Madras. His academic prowess is further evidenced by his 20 publications and participations in several conferences. Many patents, innovations and contributions of book chapters were also in his credit. His leadership extends further as he has secured an IQAC coordination for 3 consecutive years. His dedication, innovation and commitment to institutional excellence make him a true asset to the academic community. Let us applaud his outstanding achievements and aspire to follow him. I request you, sir, to
Respected Sudhakar sir, Principal and Professor of Mallareddy College of Pharmacy, and Parthiban sir, Professor in Mallareddy College of Pharmacy, and my dear students, my dear IIC members, EDC members, and the dear faculty members, a very happy afternoon. Shorting. I prefer instead of good afternoon, I prefer happy afternoon. I think you know the difference between good and happy, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Regarding this program, World Creativity and Innovation Day, I would like to give some brief introduction about this program, what we can do with this, what outcome we can expect from this program. So, thank you for this, Principal sir, for inviting me for this program, and I will make you sure you will get something out of this program definitely today. Right? Thank you very much, sir, for inviting me here. Basically, all are welcoming for this today's program, World Creativity and Innovation Day. First, before going to this session, I would like to ask 3 questions. I think already you know those questions from your childhood onwards, right? Please. The main theme of this World Creativity and Innovation Day 2024. Every year the theme will be different. Every year, theme of Creativity and Innovation Day. Whatever the IIC events, celebration days are there, all each and every year the theme will be changed. Here for this Creativity Creativity and Innovation Day theme is Step Out to Innovate. I think we got an idea what we need to do this. Step out means don't go out of the class, right? To innovate, if you want, you can go out. But simply going out is not required. Please be here for the next 40 to 45 minutes. So definitely you will gain more knowledge than earlier what you have. Thank you. Next. So before doing this, what is knowledge? I think my session should be, I prefer interactive session. So like small videos, animations will be there. There is no video, audio, only just small video. It's playing continuously. Just you can see, I want to make you to 5 years or 6 years old guy. Right? 5 years, 6 years. Please imagine now your age is 5 to 6 years or less than 10 years. Right? So normally from childhood onwards, your mother, your school teacher, class teacher prefer to study like this only, right? Reading the book and writing the notes, reading the books by hearting the notes, all these things might have done. So suppose CBSE, we prefer that one, well, because their process of learning, teaching learning is different. Right? First, let us know, is this getting knowledge by reading these textbooks and by making mind too much pressure on your mind. So we cannot say this is not a knowledge, getting knowledge, right? So what can you think knowledge? Overthinking? Suppose if you have some issues, some problems, then you are habituated to think more. What could be the solution for this? You won't get the solution for this, but you are still thinking. For that one problem, how much time you will going to think? Maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, for hours together, for days together, even though you are not getting any solution. So what is the purpose of thinking that much time? Why you are wasting your time? Time is precious, waste it wisely. Okay? Time is precious, waste it wisely. Right? So yeah, even though if you won't get knowledge by searching also. Of course, up to some extent, we can gain knowledge to search. So let us discuss what are the parameters we learn from our childhood onwards to get knowledge. So how to get knowledge? Reading. Right? So if you see any pictures, you won't get laugh. But if you see even Brahmanandam, even serious face, you should get laugh. Right? So that much impact he created in film industry, and not in film industry. Entire India also he created such situations, right? Any comedian if you see, apart from this Brahmananda, you may not get laugh, but if you see this Brahmananda, even in comedy, even in a villain, you will get laugh. Right? So thinking for long time is also not possible to gain more knowledge. So what we can get? So as per the Google, as per the dictionary, we have a technical definition for knowledge. So the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. So this statement is like 3 Idiots movie dialogue, right? So what is mission? So one guy, topper, second topper, he said technical book definition. Amir Khan said lively real-time definition. So here knowledge is not a bookish knowledge. We should have real-time applications to get more knowledge. Right? If you search in the Google also, Google says the fact or condition of being aware of something. Being aware of something, whatever it may be. That may be regarding your studies, that may be your relatives, that may be your names, your friends' names, whatever it may be. Right? So these are just, if you search, you will get this idea. But without searching, how we can gain knowledge? Without searching any textbook, without searching any internet, how we can gain knowledge? The basic knowledge. When you are going to get means, when you are at the age of 3 to 4 years, every time you are going to ask to your mother or father, so why is like this? What is this? రిమెంబర్ యువర్ దోస్ డేస్? అడిగారా లేదా మీ పేరెంట్స్ని? ఇది ఎందుకు అమ్మా, ఇదేంటి అమ్మా, ఇలానే ఎందుకు చేయాలి, ఇది ఎందుకు తినకూడదు, ఇది ఎందుకు ముట్టుకోవద్దు? We have so many queries in front of your parents when you are at the age of 5 years old. But what happens after? You are not asking any questions. Now, are you able to ask any questions to your parents regarding why it is like this, why it is like this? నేను మూవీకి వెళ్తే నా మనీకి ఏమైంది, నా ఇష్టం. సో ఇలాంటి queries కాదు. So when you are at the age of below 10 years, you are asking many questions to your parents. That started you as a researcher. Questioning makes you more knowledge. Questioning. So without questioning, suppose we are the faculty, we used to teach any classes, but if you are not expecting any questions from the students, how we can clear our doubts? Keep on asking questions. Then even faculty class will learn more better than earlier class. Because students might ask me questions, I should answer these questions. Effectively, students should satisfy that. So like that, faculty will also prepare well and come. We are also get more knowledge as we are keep on asking questions. Right? So now, actual topic comes in the picture. So how to get knowledge? So this is normally your what you have Nanandriya and Telugu. So that we are going to see. చిన్నపిల్లల ఫోటోలు ఎందుకు పెట్టాను? మీరు ఎంత పెద్దవాళ్ళైనా మీ పేరెంట్స్ చిన్నపిల్లలు. రైట్? ఆల్మోస్ట్ యువర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్. రైట్. See, think your back days, 5 years or less than 10 years. By vision, we can get knowledge, right? Through our eyes, we can observe something. We can identify the colors. So, chinnappudu we have used to play with some colors, which is purple, which is red, which is yellow, which is green, which is blue, which all those things, the colors we are playing with. So, we use it to identify the colors. So, through vision, we can identify. Of course, the best initial first teacher is your mother actually. She only used to tell all these colors initially, right? So, when she was saying, through our ear, we can hear those sounds and we can identify. She is mom's voice, she is father's voice, and the sound, by the sound, hearing through ear, we can identify, we can gain some knowledge. Next, through the smell, we can identify. What we can identify through our nose? What is the main purpose of nose? ముక్కులో పెట్టుకోవడం కాదు. అమ్మాయి అబ్బాయిలకైతే ముక్కులు అవసరం లేదు. బట్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై which is good smell, which is bad smell, which is biryani, which is vegetable biryani, which is more particular. Sometimes ఇంట్లో పోపు వేసినప్పుడు మనకు స్మెల్ వచ్చేస్తాం. గుడ్ స్మెల్, బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్, మాడిపోయినందుకు బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్ వచ్చేస్తాం. సో త్రూ అవర్ నోస్ we can also identify, we can gain some knowledge. Next, taste. We can taste through our tongue. That may be sweet, that may be hot, that may be odd. So anything, salt. So all those things we can identify through our tongue. So we can call it as a taste. Next, by touching one object, we can go with that. Either the object is smooth or hard. So we can identify. So with that also we can gain some knowledge. So apart from all these 5, any other thing is there left to gain more knowledge? Anyone? Only 5. See, when you keep on seeing with our human eyes, can you get more knowledge? Then people get surround knowledge. Initial for first time, for 5 seconds, I can see the picture and I can edit over the other 5 things where we can get knowledge. Keep on seeing the poster for 1 hour, 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, and I get more knowledge. So we cannot get more knowledge by seeing one object continuously. Second one, చెప్పి విసిగిస్తూ ఉంటాము. రైట్? అదే సినిమా దుకాణంగా ఉంది, సన్నకథలు ఉంది. ఒకసారి చెప్పడమే 2 అంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పడం. ఒకసారి చెప్పింది బిజినెస్ అంటే వదిలేస్తారు అంతే. సెకండ్ టైం, థర్డ్ టైం, ఫోర్త్ టైం అంటే వీఆర్ a bad smell, we can close our nose. If it's a good smell, we are trying to inhale more. Like all these things, we cannot go continuously. So don't get in confusion. All these five, we cannot go continuously. For a small amount of time, we can get knowledge based on these five. There is one thing where we can get more knowledge. All scientists will do. So when you are having actual examinations, out of 5, you need to write 5, right? Out of 8 or 5. So you need to write answer 5. So out of all 5, you wrote only one question for first 2 hours. Only one question first 2 hours you completed. Remaining 1 hour, you need to complete 4 answers. At that time, what would be your situation? Only 1 hour, 60 minutes left. You need to complete 4 answers. So your time starts only 60 minutes onwards. So then you are going to keep on thinking how much answer I need to write. So to complete all the 4 answers, you need to take some time gaps. That is not time gaps, it's a time slots. For first, second answer, how much time I need to go? Third, fourth, fifth, like. So here, the thinking gives you more knowledge. Are you agree with me or not? Thinking. Using vision, that is a PRT. So when you are speaking English, already you learn ABCD. After you are an English teacher, why you need to study again ABCD? Not required. So that is the initial stages of learning. So when you are good at English, then you can go beyond that research, all those things. You need to go for again ABCD, grammar, all those things. So once you are habituated to vision, hear, touch, taste, smell, then you can think beyond that. So that's what we can call this Creativity and Innovation Day. Step out to innovate. Innovations comes under, I will show you some pics are there. Innovations from school age onwards. I will show that out. So thinking gives better knowledge than initially what we explained for. I think you are having this innovation cell since February, right? So you are habituated to do some activities regarding this institution's innovation council. So based on this, in your what you understood about this innovation, and you know innovation and invention differences. What we can call as an invention, what we can call as an innovation. Innovation, invention. Invention means new thing you need to design, or you need to develop a new thing. Innovation means adding some extra delta X change or modification to the existing one. That is called innovation. Invention is a new thing. Suppose, for example, if you take a bulb invented by Thomas Alva Edison. We are not calling as bulb innovated by Thomas Alva Edison. Bulb invented by. So he was the first person who invented bulb. So these LED bulbs invented by Thomas Alva Edison is here now. No more. We are not at the same physically. We are seeing the pictures, Google. We are going to identify, oh, this could be this Thomas Alva Edison. So how this LED is coming now? These are called innovations, not inventions. Wright brothers, aeroplane, they invented. Nowadays we have Air India, Vistara, what you call others, Project, Indigo. All those things are innovations only, not inventions. So in real-time examples, whatever things are there, all those things are the innovations. Inventions means we can call those things as a scientist. Innovate anything, anything. If you invent anything, we can call you as a scientist. Right? So innovation is simply thinking out of the box and implementing. So this is one more example for the World Creativity and Innovation. So what is the theme of this World Creativity and Innovation Day? Step out and innovate. Come out of that box. Fishes. I think what I was saying is childhood story. 3 fishes. Shalmati, Mandamati. So don't mind, I am from Telugu. Childhood. onwards up to 10th class. All are English medium, Telugu medium. Combined English and a little bit more there. Right? So this what we are having. Think out of the box. Step out and innovate things. Can you comment on this? Here, what is innovation? What is invention? In this picture.
Iron is invention.
See, iron box you have not invented. You have not done anything with the iron box. You have not added any extra flavors to that iron box. But making use of that iron box, you are going to heat your milk in an easy way, without gas. Right? So this iron box, electrical iron box. So to support, we have two books. Of course, you can also take your pharmacy books also.
Guest photo.
The Java books are there. Right? So heating milk to the induction stoves are there. Right? Same thing, iron box, we are used to have like this. Right? See, those should be exposed. Real time example of the movie only. Hand out of this, so maximum, it may be for girls or women's favorite hero. Yes, very good. Nagarjuna. Which movie? I am here. Which movie? Nenu Nanu. See, when Shreya used to get hungry, there was no rice, no food. So only dosa pindi was there. So just he started doing dosas in iron box. On that iron box, he is doing dosa. Right? And మీరు చూస్తున్నారు మీ సార్ చూడట్లేదు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారా? చూడమని చెప్పిన సార్ ఎందుకు చూస్తున్నారు నన్ను చూస్తున్నాను మీ గ్రామం ఈ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ ఐడియాస్ నాకు పైగా మీకు కూడా వస్తే ఇండైరెక్ట్గా ఇండికేషన్ అండి రైట్ సో ఇన్ థింకింగ్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ డజంట్ రిక్వైర్ ఎనీ కాంపిటీషన్స్ థింక్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్ థింక్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్లీ ఫర్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ దట్ రైట్ సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ there are mainly three types so one is product process and market. Product means any physical device, prototype. That means this mic, mobile phone or any physical quantity which we can call as a product. Right? Next process. Process earlier we used to have headphones, right? Wired communication. Now we have Bluetooth, wireless communication. That is the process. We are listening to audio, video through that. That is wireless communication, 10 meters distance you can work out. That is wireless communication. That is a process, innovation process. Another is a marketing innovation. Marketing. How to sell the one product, one soap or one milk or one powder. How to sell to others. Go for innovative ways. Recently, earlier we used to have some brand ambassadors for booths, for shopping malls. Everybody should come. But if you see Lalita Jewelers, Gundu Boss, he himself makes promotions. He doesn't want to make promotions with any ambassadors. He was the first person started innovatively to promote his own brand. After that, he was in your plants business. Plants over Shantar, FM contact 9 something right? So marketing, how we are going to project your products. That's also innovative we can go with that. Right? So there are the main things. So that's what is expressed as a product innovation. So within the product, add some extra specifications, add some extra features to your mobile phone, add some extra features to your electronic goods. So automatically we can call it a product innovations. Right? So process that means your upgradation of your mobile phone from 10 to OS 10 to OS 12. So like every time you need to upgrade, even in the security also you can upgrade your mobile phone. If that option is available at your mobile phone, you can get that. Right? So this is marketing. So how you are going to increase your sales? How you are going to generate revenue from that? Suppose if you want to join students of your siblings or your relatives at this Maharati College of Pharmacy, how you are going to do promotions? Under the pamphlets, so if you have standards, enough standards, so through the counseling automatically your sales will be filled. So sometimes we use some college buses. So that is what type of promotions. So some people will construct from bus stops. So in the bus stop, on their bus stops, they are going to make their college names. Promotions. So sometimes some people will go for stickering backside of autos. So codings, all those are the promotions, marketing strategies. So see, now the past and the human made things. So past natural products, what we can just winners and the poison. That is the natural, that is snake bite, we can call it the poison. But with that poison we can go for whether person may dead or sometimes we may go to hospital. So but nowadays human made thing. That is anesthesia. I think pharmacy knows better than me. Anesthesia. So mainly this is used at during the surgery process. The surgery is almost 24 hours. But we are not using all surgeries in anesthesia. For half an hour surgeries they won't go for this. But up to some extent, if the patient is unable to survive, so then we can go for anesthesia. Next the leaf. Now we have solar panel. Now mango leaves and all these tamarind leaves or their natural products, and we are using our solar panels to generate electricity. Next the brain, human brain. Now computer, supercomputer, it's very fast. DNA, that's a computer program, and eardrum, microphones, the eye, camera, lens, camera lens, and the eyelid, windshield, wipers, and the transistors, knife, the heart, pump, all those things. These are the natural and these are the human creations. That means inventions, or we can also call it as innovations. See how this innovation process starts. Economics started with the innovation. From the graduation. Innovation not starts from the graduation. It starts from when you are thinking. From childhood onwards, your innovation starts. When you are maximum boys at the age of 3 to 4 years, ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ గూడ్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా అన్ని కేసెస్ స్కూటర్ డిగ్రీస్ పక్కన పడేస్తాం. ఏం తెలియకపోయినా ఏదో ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం. దే వాంట్ టు థింక్ మోర్ హౌ టు అసెంబ్లీ, హౌ టు రీఅసెంబుల్. సో న్యూ థింగ్స్, ద ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు గెట్ న్యూ ఐడియాస్. న్యూ ఐడియాస్ రావడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి? సమ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్స్. మేబీ ఏ పర్సన్ వచ్చు, మేబీ రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వాట్ యూఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ. సో దట్ మే ఆల్సో ఇన్స్పైర్డ్. సో ఫ్రమ్ దట్ వీ గెట్ ఐడియాస్, and from that ideas we need to, if you are not having any any help from yourself, you can take help of others, your mother, your father, relatives, or any other things. You can take help of others, and after test it, and then we can go for implementation level. Check out the claims or feedback. From the feedback I can learn new things and deliver new product. So that is the innovation cycle process. Now the three differences: creativity, invention and innovation. As today is the world creativity and innovation day, so which one comes first, creation or innovation? Creation mundu vastunda, innovation mundu vastunda? Creation. See, so when you are creating means already you could have some experience on that product or on that good. When first innovation comes, after innovation we are thinking how to create this product. That is called creativity. So after the creativity we can go for invention. Invention of new thing. First comes innovation. So we ఎందుకు సార్ ఫస్ట్ క్రియేటివిటీ చూసుకున్నాం, అందరం క్రియేటివిటీ ఉపయోగించుకున్నాం కదా. See, what you are observing through your eyes, that may not be correct 100% every time. Think beyond that. what is the reason behind that, understand the concepts, then even though if you match randomly, if you go juggling also, you need to answer these questions. So that then only we can have the knowledge, subject knowledge. Otherwise, our option ABC will be ABC better. Right? First thing, get the knowledge. So from the knowledge, think innovatively to create something. If you created something, that product we can call as an invention. New things to create. If you add extra thing to that, we can add as an innovation. Right? See, first fresh ideas and then invention and thus innovation. So from fresh idea, it won't come as an innovation direct. Innovation again, for already existing one, we are adding extra features or extra specifications. Right? That is called innovation. But invention is not that. After invention only innovation comes. So this is the cycle. So from bottom line, it is not valid enough. Only the process will be fresh new idea, invention versus innovation. See, I think from childhood onwards, we have played with this ball, that tile. So we used to have coconut tiles want to play. So that is the invention what we can have, right? And for the innovation is your cycle tire or bike tire or car tire or any tire. It is for the size of the vehicle, right? So that tile is designed by the human. But what is the invention for that? This round color ball. Next, that is a PCB. Use the PCB. Now we have n number of electronic tools, cameras, laptops, mobile phones, so wireless communication devices, IoT devices, many things. Innovations came to the market. Now laser filters are there, laser beams are there. So if you have some functions, we are going to keep the laser beams just for only one direction. Not suppose if you see LED lights. So 360 degrees my brightness, it will generate 360 degrees brightness. But if you go for laser, only one single direction. Right? So what examples we can go with this? Innovation, creativity, examples. If you take, so first person would like to have butter with honey. But it doesn't have butter with honey combination. We have butter separate, honey separate. So you might have faced these issues when you are child or when you are nowadays maybe your sister or brothers are at the age of 5 or 10 years. So they may also face some issues. We want to Maggi. Then you can Maggi. But I imagine only for varieties. Ippi noodles, Maggi noodles, so many varieties are. You wanted to go only Ippi noodles, but you are preparing Maggi noodles. It doesn't want to eat. So then what we need to do? You want to see that the color of Maggi of color should be yellow. But you prepared Ippi, that is almost red color. So what you can do with that? They are not bothering about the taste. Children are not bothering about the taste, they are bothering about the looks, how it is looking. It should be yellow, but you prepared red, I want it. Then what you can do? First place becomes yellow. Give it to him, he will happily eat. So think innovatively. What is the purpose? To satisfy your children, to satisfy your brothers, sisters, to satisfy your relatives. We are doing something newly to add that. So yeah, that's why he prepared combination of both. Suppose nowadays if you attend any functions, they are going to have ice cream, vanilla, as well as gulab jamun separate. You have seen now, gulab jamun separate sweet, ice cream separate. Small people what they will do? Ice cream, and on that ice cream they will pour gulab jamun sweet. అదే వాడే ఇష్టం తీసుకోండి మీ సొంత చేతితో మీరే వేసుకోవాలి ఆ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ అనేది. సో దట్స్ వై ఆ కాంబినేషన్ ఎవరు మీకు పెట్టరు ఏ ఫంక్షన్కి వెళ్ళినా దే వాంట్ టు యూజ్ కంబైన్డ్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ విత్ గులాబ్ జామ్, సపరేట్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్, సపరేట్ గులాబ్ జామ్. And that is your wish. If you want to use both combinedly, you can take, otherwise ice cream separate, gulab jamun separate, you can take separate. So that is satisfaction is customer satisfaction, and the satisfaction is more important for the catalyst. So these are the examples. from childhood onwards, you have many thoughts in your mind, but you can innovate anything. See that it's looking like a wheelchair. Always we can have a wheelchair only. But when you want to climb steps, then through wheelchair it is not possible. Through wheelchair it is not possible to climb steps. Then what he made? He separated two wheels. Left, right wheels separated, and he made those other sticks. Using those sticks, you can climb the steps, and after completion of the steps, if you want to run a parallel path, then again you assemble those two things, left and right wheels. So definitely it comes in wheelchair. So this is Ramakishore Sanjay Srinivas, Tamil Selvan, class 10th students, 10th class students, not graduates, not PG, not scientists, 10th class students. So real-time problem they observed and they found the solution also for this. And pen to check concentration. Suppose you are studying for an hour continuously, you won't get concentration for next half an hour. 1 hour is 5-10 minutes, so the way from 1 hour is submitted. So how to increase your concentration? How to increase your concentration means you will see. Pay attention to the concentration that LED bulbs. So normally if you want to see mobile phone, if it is any incoming call, any message comes, your mobile phone will blink. So you are out of the mobile phone, when the blink comes or sound comes, so definitely you are going to see that mobile phone. Why unnecessarily a mobile phone message not required also. So just go for making brightness or the mechanical options in the mobile phone. Any message, any incoming call comes, just blink that screen. Automatically we can do it. So use that we can increase. Of course, continuously you cannot get concentration, but when you are away from the concentration, just it blinks. Say to fix the bulb, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి ఇద్దరు అమ్మాయిలే అమ్మాయిలకు అంత హైటెక్ పెట్టడం కూడా రాదు, పెద్ద స్కూల్ కూడా లేదు. హౌ టు ఫిక్స్ ద బల్బ్ పోయింది, లోపల ఫిలమెంట్ పోయింది, కొత్త బల్బ్ తెచ్చి పెట్టాలి. ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ 200 రూపీస్ తీసుకుంటాడు చిన్న బల్బ్ పెట్టడానికి. సో హౌ టు యూజ్ దిస్ small things we can do it ourselves also. So this is the machine where we can take the bulb and we can fix it in that socket. So she is Gautam Pravina, class 11 student from Tamil Nadu, and Jalandhar, that is Punjab. So Tamil Nadu is this side, Punjab is that side. So collaborative works. So considering sir collaborative works between. I think this is very useful for every woman. Maximum males doesn't work at home. They are busy with their office works, but maximum men, working women or housewives, their headache to clean the house. Or if they have maid has to take. Suppose if you want to clean backside of the family, how to clean? It is not possible. Nowadays, if you see in any home appliances, all these fans are like this one. If you see everywhere, any shopping malls, we are having these fans that straight. We cannot bend those things. But how to clean? We can have this option. At the top side, we can have the bending option. We can bend and we can clean it, and again we can throw it back. So this is the process. And the person is also from class 11, again from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So class 11. And this is everybody knows, maybe KFC, McDonald's, or any other snacks or fast food centers. So if you have, you see the first figure, if you use it to have classes like this, so we cannot walk speed and we cannot make continuously same poster of the classes, right? So maybe fall down, class will fall down. So to protect that, make a hole of the small size. So always the glass size will increase when we coming up. So base width of the glass is very less, and the top side we have glass size will be very high. So So we can use this. So normally all this nowadays KFC, McDonald's, all these companies are using the same process. So he is from UP, Uttar Pradesh, class 12 student. Next is reminding the owner if keys are forgotten in the vehicle. How? Nowadays we have keyless entries. In top models of any Maruti or Hyundai or any car, keyless entries. You have to put key inside the ignition. Just you can put in your pocket. Just you can push start and start button. Engine will start. When you are away from the vehicle, maybe more than 2 meters, so engine won't work. Engine will be on only, but your vehicle doesn't move. At least not even meters. So it is going to make some sound. Suppose if you are not wearing seat belt, no sound comes from the monitor, that is dashboard. Same wise, it won't kill sound. Hey guy, you forgot your keys, like it won't say, but just when it's alarm, mother sound will be there. Right? Almost this is, we have a separate adapter for charging of your mobile phone. And this product may be efficient. Mobile phone itself having charging option. Without adapter, we can have directly the mobile itself containing this charger. We can use this. So he is also from Tamil Nadu, Vellore, class 11 student. Next, maximum nowadays above 40, the male or female facing this back pain issues. That means they are not sitting at proper posture. Posture is very, very important. When your mother or grandfather or grandmother watching TV, serials, 5 minutes they will sit properly, after that they will bend left, or they will bend right, or they may go back, they may come front. So they are not sitting in proper posture. So make them to sit in proper posture. This is the solution. Just that object, when you move away from that object will be backside of yours, and chair will be, when you fall down left or right, the connection between the sensor and your back will be missed, then definitely it will vibrate. So when you will get conscious, so I need to sit properly. So this is also one more thing. The sensor will identify the height of your head. So if you are in the on line of sight, that is straight line, your posture is good. If you bend something like this, if you go down like this, it will make some sound. With that, you need to active to get a good posture. So this is I think, can you comment on this please? Anyone can comment on this? How is it possible, sir? Device to cool down anger. We are facing so many issues in traffic. మన కోపాన్ని అదిలా హెల్మెట్ ఇలా చేస్తాం సార్, జోకే కదా ఇది. How it controls anger? So anger means definitely we can have some vibrations in our mind or my vibrations in our head, and some sounds comes out of our mouth. A sound కానీ ఇంత ట్రాఫిక్ ఏదో సౌండ్, డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సౌండ్స్ or RN sounds. All these sounds will be identified by this helmet, and it is generating some sort of feel. So what type of feel means? If we are interested in music, slow music or fast music, so with that it is having some earphones also. It will generate some. If you are interested in fast music, it plays fast music. If you are interested in slow music, it plays slow music. Just to control your anger. Next, keeping students fresh while reading. అప్పుడు మనకి స్మెల్ పెన్స్ ఉండేవి సార్, రైటింగ్ పెన్స్లో స్మెల్ ఉంది గుర్తుపని. సో instead of having the pens, smell pens, we can print book directly with the smell. That means each and every letter, each and every page, we can have good smell. చిన్నప్పుడు చూస్తున్నాం, కొత్త బుక్ కొన్నప్పుడు స్మెల్ చూస్తున్నాం. కొత్త బుక్ కొనకే అవసరం లేదు, నింపుంది మాకు యూట్యూబ్ ఉంది అన్ని ఉంది. కొత్త బుక్ కొనే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఆ డబ్బులు నాకు నేను ఎక్కడ పడేసాను. రైట్, న్యూ బుక్స్ మేక్స్ గుడ్ స్మెల్. లైక్ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ గుడ్ రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్, సో వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఫెసిలిటీ. సో So this is one real-time problem faced by one student. He is of 10 years old boy. He doesn't have his two hands. But he wanted to clear the shed. But their classmates prepared magnetic buttons. And with the magnetic buttons, you can easily remove the buttons also. And this is very good example for wash basin. No need to have separate wash basin companies in there are companies also in. You have 20 liters can, cut that half. Front side you can use one pipe and they can use that as a wash basin. Normally government schools they are not habituated to have many facilities, not even washrooms. But they are going to make use this wash basin like this. So next, so people avoid wearing helmets during summer due to sweating. Sir, maku isara sir summer lo kaali bande ki magi pani vastunna sir indra ki andar agipotundi sir. But iste me pettestuntam sir. See, చెప్పడానికి బాగానే ఉంటుంది బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లిటిల్ బిట్ టూ ఫాస్ట్. కూలర్ చేసినాక టు అవాయిడ్ దట్ స్వెట్ వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ లిటిల్ బిట్ కూలర్. మన ఏసీ కూలర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది లిటిల్ బిట్, బట్ ద కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5,000 to 6,000. అందరూ పే చేస్తానే పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ థాట్ టు అవాయిడ్ రెయిన్. If you see in Hyderabad city, so many innovative thoughts comes from the human beings. So motorcycle with covered with cover. So she covered her umbrella with entire round 360 degrees one. She covered with polythene cover. So she can wash out of that, but no rain comes inside. Right? So here noodles. Initial stage చాలా హెవీగా ఉంటే ఫ్యాన్ అవసరం లేదు. చిన్న స్మాల్ nowadays we are in small type of fans also, USB fans. Just you can also keep to your laptops, right? And you can use that, right? Next, I need your concentration on this. Can anyone comment on this? So here we have 20 liters water bottle, and that middle one, the middle one what we have that is filled with petrol. Come with this water bottle. What is the cost of this water bottle? 1 liter of water bottle costs 20 rupees. Right, very good. After using the water bottle, the 1 liter of the trunk, and what happens with the empty bottle? We throw it out. But some people will make use of that water bottle to fill the petrol. Suppose in the streets, farming streets, and farm shop or some small kirana shops, they used to sell petrols from these bottles only. They will fill that water bottle with petrol. What is the cost of that bottle now? Same 20 rupees. If you fill the water bottle with water, it is 20 rupees. Now you fill the same water bottle with 100 rupees of petrol. Now it's 110 rupees, right? So now the bottle cost is 110 rupees. We are not changing the bottle. The content we are changing. Now we see the third one, liquid gold. Fill the entire bottle with liquid gold. Liquid gold means almost the bottle is 1 liter. We can expect at least 900 ml gold, right? Liquid gold. So what is the cost of 1 kg of gold? Now, so many lakhs. For 10 grams, we have almost 70,000 rupees. 10 grams, 70,000. Imagine 1,000 grams. So many lakhs. So here, there also we are not changing the body. Sorry, the body changing. Just see the body only, don't see the body structure. The shape out body shape out like this one. But here we have 20 rupees water bottle, 1 liter. We use it with petrol. Cost increasing to 110 rupees. Now with the gold, lakhs. So what is the conclusion from this? What is the conclusion from this? That means just we are not changing the physical structure of the body. We are changing the content present in it. That means suppose for example, we may think that మన రెండు చేతులు రెండు కాళ్ళు బాగానే ఉన్నాం అప్పుడు ఫిజికల్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్ పర్సన్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెల్. సమ్ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ బిజినెస్ ఆల్సో ఫిజికల్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్ పర్సన్స్. అండ్ రీసెంట్లీ we have seen group 4 IAS officer, ఫిజికల్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్ గర్ల్ IAS ఆఫీసర్. సో మనకేంటంటే అదే మనకెందుకు వస్తుందిలే, మనకేం రాదులే, వాళ్ళకి వస్తే వాళ్ళ టాలెంట్ వేరు, మనకు మన టాలెంట్ వేరు అని అనుకోవద్దు. డోంట్ blame by seeing the physical structure of anyone. See the content in it. What he can do, what she can do. Identify the work from them. Which work you need to do to which person. Extract work from them. Definitely you will share in the market. So, ekkada business cheyali. So, ekkada development. Another ma athandi dalisi antaru. Ekkada edugala kaadu, ekkada taggala nechinu. So, where we need to slow down, where we need to fast. So that is very, very important. Suppose, sir, I have a good idea, I have a chappal shop. So I have each and every area we have chappal shops. I want to expand my business. Ekkada peddaru? Nanu beach lo peddaam anukuntunna sir chappal shop. Beach lo chappal shop pandestunda? Is there any use of that chappal stand at the beach? Unna chappal teesi pakkana petti empty foot to nadustunnaru, empty chappals, bare foot to nadustunnaru. But physical health. పంజాబ్ కి బార్బర్ షాప్ పెడితే నడుస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ బార్బర్ కటింగ్ చేసుకోరు, కటింగ్ చేసుకోరు. ఎందుకు లాగా కోసి మన విమానం అక్కడికి వెళ్తారు, 10 గంటలు వెళ్ళిపోయి వచ్చేస్తారు. పంజాబ్ కి బార్బర్ షాప్ పెట్టేసి వస్తారు. See, where we need importance, real time existence where we need, that we need to focus. Then identify the drawbacks and try to overcome those drawbacks with your new solutions. Think innovatively to create new life in your future. Got it? So that's why my last slide. So keep innovating and make sure that this day, actually not this day, April 21st was your creativity and innovation day. We couldn't able to make on that day. So we can conduct any time, but the concept is same. It doesn't matter, irrespective of the date, content is important. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Giving of knowledge. We will definitely cherish you, sir. Thank you so much. Now it's time to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, sir. So I invite the principal, sir, and Pratibha, sir, to felicitate our guest.
Good.